Hey everyone, we're back at it with another one. This is a Lucchese lizard skin boot that we are going to be replacing the leather sole on with a Vibram 430 mini lug for a little bit extra grip and durability as well. So come join us, check it out. We're just going to kind of go through the whole video and everything, not too much stopping through it. So just enjoy it.
What's up, guys? We're gonna do a little varnishing. We're gonna take care of these heels, get a little edge trimming on the front here as well too, and we're gonna do these all black. All right, guys.
Alright everyone, so I've gone ahead and glued up the insoles. I don't know if it's catching on camera, but you can kind of see that Lucchese logo. These have a full length insole, which is kind of nice. Not a lot of Western boots actually have a full length insole. Usually it's just a little heel pad that covers the nails at the back of the heel. Sometimes you'll get a 3/4 one that goes from the back of the heel up to here, and I'm talking inside the boot. And then in this case, it's all the way up to the toe, which those are kind of nice, but it can kind of sometimes make the boot a little snug in some areas, especially in that toe area. So it's hard with Western boots to be able to, you know, sometimes get them fitted right. So I've got them all resoled. This is the Vibram 430 mini lug sole with a Vibram lug heel on these here. So the 430 mini lug sole is very durable, grippy. So for those of you that don't know, there's a difference between traction and a difference between grip. Grip is all about the material, the compound that they used. How grippy is it if there was nothing, if it was just smooth, but how grippy would it be on a smooth surface? Traction, however, is this right here, all that tread pattern and everything. How well is it going to do in the mud and the slush? And this sole is kind of that perfect in between, where it's not too aggressive of a tread pattern, and you got that nice fine line edge, so it looks a little bit still unnoticeable from the side view and everything. So yeah, it's one of my top favorite soles, definitely. It is a little bit difficult with these nails here when you're working with Western boots. We are using what are called oval headed nails. They've got like a rounded shape to them, where most of Western boots, if they've got a leather sole, they use a flat head basically. And some cobblers, actually, I found out that they still currently don't know the difference. Oval head is for rubber soles, flat heads are strictly for leather soled boots or shoes. And it's kind of one of those things where it's a huge difference in the long run, because the flat-headed ones, they will rip through this rubber when the person's wearing them. So definitely have to be a little bit cautious about that. So I've gone ahead and finished it up. As far as the final touches on my end and everything, you saw Miggs. He had gone ahead and a little tiny spot of glue right there is gonna bug me. There we go, all cleaned up. But Miggs had gone ahead and done the edges on those things. I finished up a few things like the insoles and made sure all the nails aren't sticking up or anything. Now they're going to go to Marcus over at the Shine Bar. He's going to go ahead and make them all pretty and finished out as far as the uppers go. So hopefully you enjoyed the video. After Marcus is done, I'm going to take some after pictures on it, definitely. You see some loose threads here and there that are bugging me. I know Marcus ends up hitting the loose threads. But hopefully you enjoyed the video. Make sure you hit that subscribe and notification bell icon to be notified when we have our next video out. This one I kind of just ran through it because I've done a number of recap videos for Lucchese Boots and talked about them in more detail. So if you want to check those out, if you're a first-time watcher, definitely check those out in the repair category. We've got a handful of Luccheses that we've worked on if you want to really get more in depth and in detail. This one I kind of just ran through it because they're Luccheses. They're one of my top brands. I also highly recommend, if you are on Facebook, check out Lucchese Enthusiasts. It's a really big group with a lot of Lucchese boot collectors. They talk about boots. You'll sometimes find boots for sale too on there as well, from a number of places and a number of people, and just people left and right showing off their different types of Luccheses out there and collections. So definitely check that out if you haven't already. And yeah, make sure check out any of the other videos in the near future as well. So thanks for watching.